Question is the time required for 10% completion of a first order reaction at 298 Kelvin is equal to that of required for its 25% completion at 308 Kelvin. If the value of A is 4 into 10 power 10 per second, calculate K at 318 Kelvin and EA, which is the activation energy. So A is the Arrhenius constant. Okay. So we can easily see that this question will require the use of Arrhenius equation. First of all, using the information given in the first line, we will write, we will use the formula for the first order reaction, that is Kt is equal to log A naught by A, where A naught, it is written here as A is the initial concentration of the reactant, and A minus X is the final concentration of reactant. So at temperature equal to 298 Kelvin, T is equal to 2.303 divided by K log 100 by 90. Why have we written 100? 100, let us compute that, let us say that the initial concentration was 100. Then for the first case, it says that it has completed 10% of the reaction. So basically 90% of the reaction is incomplete. So 90% of the reactant will remain as it is. Okay. So log 100 by 90. So we will get the value of T in the first case as in the by the relation of K as 0.1054 divided by K. Secondly, for the case 2, at temperature 308 Kelvin, T dash is equal to 2.303 divided by K dash, because the value of K will be different at different temperatures. We know that the rate constant changes with changing temperature. Okay. Log 100 by 75. Why have we written 100? Because let us assume that it is the initial concentration was 100 units, and as it is mentioned in the question that 25% of the reaction is completed, so 75% is incomplete. So the remaining amount of reactant will be 75. Okay. So T in the case of 2 will be 2.2877 divided by K dash. But in the question it is given that the time required is same for both the cases. So we'll compute T dash is equal to T. So K dash by K, we will get the relation of both the case as K dash by K is equal to 2.7296. Now we will use the Arrhenius equation. What is the Arrhenius equation? So I will write it down again. So K, which is the rate constant, is equal to A, which is the Arrhenius constant, E power minus EA, where EA is the activation energy, divided by R. Okay. This is the Arrhenius equation. So we will take log on both the sides and subtract it. So A will get uh, cancelled out because it is a constant. So for both the case, there will be, so if we take the log, what will be the equation? Log K is equal to log A minus EA by RT divided by 2.303. So we will simply minus both the equations. So we will get this equation. Okay. Log K dash by K is equal to EA by 2.303 R T dash minus T divided by T dash. So we got the ratio of K dash by K as 2.7296 in the previous slide. So, and we know the value of T dash and T as 308 and 298. So we will just put values in this, and we know that EA is only the variable. So we will get the value of EA after solving this equation as 76.64 kilojoule per mole. So K at 318 Kelvin, we have T is equal to 318 Kelvin, A is equal to 4 into 10 power 10 per second. So log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. This is the Arrhenius equation after taking log. So after putting the value of the given variable, we get log K is equal to minus 1.9855. So on taking antilog, we get the value of K at T equal to 308 Kelvin as 1.034 into 10 power minus 2 per second.